We all come with our stories. And just as we have an image of children as being capable and competent, our program and how we see our students is that they are capable and competent. We often say to our students, what kind of educator do you want to be? And there's not one way of looking at something. And so we really, really want to give students the opportunity to examine, to explore, and to engage.
I don't look for 20 other Carlys. I want to find ways for the students to be able to use their talents, their skills and knowledge, and transition it into the program itself. There's a lot of emphasis on relationship building in the program. So we're watching Rachel, who's sitting alongside the children, but being there in proximity, watching, reciprocating ideas, engaging in conversation and dialogue while the children are playing around her. She doesn't need to impose herself in that play because she trusts that the children are competent and capable to take the lead in that play.
It just seemed like a program that was very built on relationships, and it wasn't necessarily about knowledge being poured into your brain, but how you can shape yourself more or less into becoming who you want to be.
We want to provide a setting where students are inspired, they're excited, and they're learning through hands-on practical knowledge around contemporary and traditional theoretical understanding of who children are, how they learn, how they build relationships with others.
We have a couple of unique dynamics within the early learning classroom. One is the way that we are engaged in the classroom itself. So educators are not standing at the front of the room regurgitating information. We are providing a foundation of learning, and how the students take that information is based on their own knowledges, values, and experiences. In the same way that children are not empty vessels, our students are the same way. So they come to us with resources and experiences and knowledges that can be applied to this practice, and we engage in really thoughtful dialogue about the learning that's happening within that classroom.
We have technology live stream that is used where we can be speaking about something in class and we can live stream it so that they're actually seeing children engaged in that particular concept that we're teaching.
What happens if you put the line down there?
Early childhood education is about the existence of both care and education simultaneously. One does not exist without the other. And so that's the meaningful part around this work that we do. We build this filing system within children's brains, and we ignite this thinking and learning that happens when we invest in the relationships with children and families.
If you're interested in working with children, if you see the magic in how children will develop and learn when we give them the opportunity and space and time to be who they are, then this is a place for you.